everyone, I hope you're okay. So today I thought I would film a packing with me video because as you watch this, if all going well, you'll be watching this on Sunday, which will be tomorrow, which means we are going to Disneyland Paris tomorrow. I know I've just probably made that really confusing, but basically we are going to Disneyland Paris on Monday and today is Saturday, so I'm about to pack my case, well, the majority of it, and get everything sorted, and I thought I'd sit down and show you what I'm packing with me. So I hope you're all doing well. I'm sorry I've not filmed a video in a little while. This also means the Disney vlogs are coming. We're going to be vlogging whilst we are out in Disneyland Paris because very excitingly we are going to Disneyland Paris with attraction tickets direct, which I'm so excited about. We're going to be trying out a new ticket which has recently launched and I think you guys are gonna love it. So we're going to be trying out, I just need to make sure I get the words right because I've got my vouchers in front of me, the multi-day experience plus tickets. So these are recently launched and it gives you a few more benefits than a regular Disneyland Paris ticket, which is very exciting. And I've got them all written down because I didn't want to miss anything off. So basically you obviously get your admission to both of the Disneyland parks, which is amazing. You also get your standard fast passes as well. You also get 15% per person at table and buffet service restaurants, so you can save a little bit of money on food, which is great. You also get a super fast pass. I think this is like one of the coolest things. So you get an extra fast pass, instant access to fast pass queue for free family rides. So I think that is so good because it means that you can get an extra one. You also get access to a privileged area for Disney Illuminations, which is the fireworks. That's really cool. And then finally, you get save 20% on merchandise on purchases €60 or more. So if you're planning to like buy quite a few things out there, you get 20% off, which is very cool. And also if you book with attraction tickets direct, which I totally would recommend by the way, because they're so easy to book with and I think they're definitely the best value, you get a special offer. So you get 15% off food and soft drinks if you dine at Planet Hollywood, which is just outside the parks, literally like 2 seconds away, and you also get 15% off food and drink at Earl Sandwich. So we will both be visiting both of those places, but the main aim is for us to go try out the tickets and let you guys know what we think, how we get on with them, and yeah, we're really excited. So really excited to be working with attraction tickets direct on this trip, and I hope you're going to enjoy the vlogs. I'll also obviously pop a link down below to attraction tickets direct and the multi-day tickets so you can check it out for yourself if you think it sounds interesting. Oh, and I've also forgot to say that they're limited, so you only get a certain amount sold per day, and at the moment they're only on sale till the end of August. So if you're feeling a Disneyland trip coming up, a Disneyland Paris trip coming up over the next few weeks over the summer, then now's the time to go. So yeah, just a little word of warning that these tickets may be like quicker to sell. I'm going to be filming a outfit lookbook, kind of like outfit what I wore, which I'm going to be putting on my IGTV. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, so you make sure you don't miss that. So first of all, I've got this cute little, hopefully that's not too bright, this cute little off the shoulder crop top, which is from Nasty Gal, and I just think this is going to look very cute with some shorts. These are from Primark and they're the mom jeans. I bought these the other day and I'm so impressed with them. I decided to go for a size up. I'd always recommend sizing up in denim shorts because I feel like they're always really tight for some reason. But yeah, I really like the fit and style of them. I have got another pair of shorts but they're currently drying on the area downstairs. So that's going to be one outfit for one day. The next, I've got this really cute dress, again from Nasty Gal. Let's have a look. So it's like this little blue number. It's got some really cute ruffled straps. And yeah, I've got like a safety pin because it's a little bit long, so I just need to like put a couple of safety pins in to make it a little bit shorter. But yeah, I just thought that would be really cute. I'm trying to go for like all the pastels on this trip. Oh, I love this top. So this is another one that I'm going to be wearing with my shorts, and this is from Free People and I got it off ASOS, and it definitely was a little bit of a splurge for me, but I saw this actually on Tess Christine, who's probably my favourite YouTuber, and I was just like, I love the top, it looks amazing, and I think it's a very like Disney top. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like Belle. So yeah, I'm going to be wearing this with some denim shorts and some white pumps, which I'll show you in a minute also. I've got another dress here from Motel Rocks. is this one. So it's kind of just a green flowery one, and it kind of just comes out, but it's really comfy, it's really light, so it'll be really nice if it is quite warm and muggy. And I'm probably going to take my leather jacket with me to kind of throw on over the top, just in case it is a bit cooler, or if in case it does rain. And then finally I have got this dress, which is from Misguided, but I got it off ASOS, and I just think this is so cute. So it's just a pink kind of off the shoulder that you can wear it like on the shoulder too. Little kind of like a skater dress, and it's like got pink and blue flowers, and when I saw it I was just like, that's so cute. Just feel like that is such a Disneyland dress. You can it'll look really nice in pictures of the castle. I'm also going to take a couple of white t-shirts because I think they never go wrong, to just wear with like shorts and my pumps, but they are currently in the wash, and I'm trying to think if I need, how many outfits is that? So that's 1, 2, 3, so that is 4 outfits. So yeah, I might take a couple of t-shirts just in case, and then I might take like a cami or so perhaps for the evening. But yeah, I don't see the point in taking loads and loads of clothes. Like, I'm pretty happy with these outfits. I think they look quite nice. Maybe. Yeah, so that's just a plain white Topshop top, so I'm going to take that with me because that literally never goes wrong. And then yeah, I might take a couple more. I've also got my pyjamas. I call these my princess pyjamas because they just remind me the kind of thing that a princess would wear. So I'm going to take these with me. I'm also going to take a bikini with me because I'm pretty sure the one hotel we're staying at, I think it's called Newport Bay, and it's got a really cool outdoor pool, so if we get time to go swimming or spend some time by the pool, which would be amazing, I'm not sure if we will get time, but I'm going to remain optimistic. I'm going to take this bikini with me, which is from Primark. Picked this up a few weeks ago because I really liked the style and colour of it, so I'm going to take that with me in the hope that we get to go. I've got a couple of pairs of ears because you can't go to Disney without a pair of ears, and these are both from Claire's Accessories, who I don't know if you know, but they sell Disney ears now, and I think they're like legit the same that you get in the park, or at least very, very similar. So yeah, I'm going to take these, which are like a pale pink, thinking these are going to look very cute with like the pink dress, and then the classic kind of black and red sequin. So I think these will look really cool with like a white t-shirt. Can you see? There we go. I have to like lean back. A white t-shirt, some shorts, some pumps and leather jacket. I think that'll be a cute outfit. I've got passports, obviously definitely them, but they'll go in my hand luggage. I'm a bit stressed about the luggage situation because we have only booked hand luggage, and I don't know if all my toiletries are going to fit, so we will see. I've also got all of our documents here in order that we need them. So I've got the magical shuttle documents, our hotel documents, our park tickets. I don't think we need to print out our boarding passes because we are flying, so I'm sure that'll be okay. But yes, they are all in there and ready to go. What else we've got? I've got toiletries. I had to show you this kit because this is from, let me take out this jewellery actually. This is from a Primark. I think it was about £5. And it's this case, which is very cute, and then it had all the travel bottles in. But what I liked about it the most is that it has some stickers, so you can like label everything. Next, we've got my jewellery, which I've got in this pouch here. This is a pouch from Katie Luxton. How cute is that? And I've just got some necklaces, which I need to untangle, and bracelets. A couple of pairs of earrings, quite like in a hoop at the moment. I found these in my collection from Claire's, and I just thought, I don't know if it's too bright, but some little daisies. I thought, well, I'll take them with me. Some Kirby grips, because you always need Kirby grips. This is my little, I call this like my little health pouch, because it's got all my kind of like medical stuff in it. So I'm a bit of a nightmare when I go travelling. I seem to think that there'll never be a shop to buy anything, but I just like to be prepared. I just think if you've got everything in your room, you're ready to go. So I've just got tablets, literally tablets for everything you'd ever need. What else have we got over here? Okay, so this is now my sunglasses. So yeah, maybe I don't need such a big pouch for these. I'm taking 4 pairs, being very restricted with myself. I've just got some cat eye ones, These are from Nasty Gal. Henry hates these. What else have I got in here? I've got these two, which are like my favourite sunglasses at the moment. These are both from Pretty Little Thing. They're exactly the same, but just in 2 different colours. And I just thought that I'd take both of them because, I don't know. But yeah, I absolutely love these. I feel like they look really nice. And then I've got my Topshop round sunglasses. So yeah, pop them all in a case to kind of keep it quite protected. I've got, this is my underwear bag. I always put my underwear in like a little bag because I find it's just easier then to, like, you know, when you're there and you're looking up. What else have we got in here? Oh, got a bra. I bought that from Primark. Some hair bubbles because I seem to have run out of hair bubbles. So I need to pop some of them in like my toiletry bag. I bought some, like, you know, these foot socks, because I don't know where one have gone. I just feel like they're quite good for wearing with trainers. And then let me show you this jumper. So I got this jumper from H&M today, and I'm going to wear this to the airport. So I'm probably going to wear like leggings, this jumper, leather jacket to the airport. And then I also thought it might be quite good if it gets quite chilly in the evenings. It's this black sweatshirt and it has like a little Mickey on. But yeah, I thought that was really cute because I quite like it when stuff's quite subtle. But yeah, I really liked it. It's got a little bit of Disney, but it's not too in your face. And that was only £8.99. Pretty much all I need. I need to add in a few more bits like underwear and stuff that's in the wash, but I think that is the majority of it sorted. So now we're going to change views and I'm going to show you me trying to pack it all in my case, and hopefully it will all fit. So shoes wise, these are the white pumps that I was talking about. I got these from ASOS. They've kind of got a bit of a platform on them, so I thought they'd give me a little bit of height. So I'm going to be wearing them with the majority of my outfits, like day to day, and I'm going to wear those to the airport. Okay, so little update. I decided to take my tops out of the packing cube because I felt like it was taking up quite a lot of room, and they're quite small tops, so they didn't need too much. I've just kind of rolled them up, which hopefully you can see. And then I've used one of the packing cubes for my underwear because that pink bag was coming in a little bit too big. I've just popped my bikini in, and I have just, what did I put underneath there? My little case with my sunglasses, and then that's my little jewellery pouch. I just need to cut the tags off my Disney ears, but I'll probably nestle them in amongst the clothes so they're nice and protected. And I'm going to use this for my bras, but there's a couple still in the wash. I'm not going to do that just yet. What else am I going to do? I think I'm pretty much done for clothing wise. I need to go through all my makeup just to double check, and then I'll put anything that's not a liquid in here, so I will show you that once that's done. And I'm also going to go through all my liquids and just see if there's anything I can take out and see if it will manage to fit in, get it all in like a plastic bag. So yeah, so that is what I'm going to do for the time being. I'm going to get together the rest of my stuff and I'll check back in and show you where I'm up to. I've just resorted through my toiletries and makeup bag, and I think I'm pretty much there now. So toiletry wise, I've got these Way anti-frizz sheets, so I thought I'd take them because my hair is being, let me move that out of the way, so dry and frizzy at the moment. I've got this here, which is in a shampoo, but it's some hair oil, so I'll probably will have to wash my hair. Got some body lotion, and I've got a mini Batiste, some dry shampoo. I've just looked at the footage from before, and on my dry shampoo I haven't even rubbed in, so that's nice. Face halo, as I mentioned, and then in here we've got some serum, moisturiser, cleanser. I've got another little serum, and then toothpaste. And then I also need to put in here my deodorant, and I think we're pretty much done toiletry wise. I'm going to go quite minimum. We're only going for a few days, so I don't need to take too much with me. And yes, obviously it has to get into 2 plastic bags. So that is toiletry wise sorted. Okay, and then makeup wise, I have finally I've kind of separated my liquids from like my powders and my creams. So I've got a Hourglass primer, Urban Decay setting spray in this really cute bottle. Is that like focusing? there you go, how cute is that? Also, excuse my nails probably look a right state and they're really like badly fake tanned as well, so ignore that. I'm going to be sorting that all out tomorrow. We got a Revolution concealer, NYX mascara, Barry M cream eyeshadows, and IT Cosmetics under eye concealer. And I'm going to go for this cream foundation, which is from Bare Minerals. Don't know if that needs to be included as a liquid because it's a like stick. And then I've got like powder, and I try to just go for very kind of small packaged. I do not need that one, that is not the right colour, so I'm going to throw that back. So yeah, bronzer, highlighter, tried to go for very kind of small, and I've got all my brushes in there too, so fingers crossed. I think that is all my makeup and beauty bits sorted, bar from a couple of bits. Okay, so I think case is pretty much done. Just need to throw in a last few bits in the morning, charger, hair tongs, that kind of thing. But yeah, I think clothes are done, minus a couple of bras. Toiletries are pretty much all sorted, and then Henry's case is all packed too. So yeah, so I think we're pretty on top of things, which is very impressive. So that's quite nice. So yeah, all ready to go. Also just getting like the other hand bag slash luggage stuff ready. I'm just going to use this bag. This is like my go-to hand luggage bag. I got it from Primark a few years ago, and it kind of fits loads in, but it fits under the seat. So in here I'm just going to put in like my travel pouch with all my tablets, all the documents and passports are in there, and then we're just starting to get like all the techie bits together. So I've got like the GoPro, spare batteries, that kind of stuff. I need to put that on my toiletries actually. I've got a mini hairspray, so I don't have to buy one at the airport. Our gimbal. So yeah, I think we are pretty much done, apart from just charging a couple more bits and putting it all in, so that's really good. Okay, so today is Sunday and I think we are pretty much done packing. As I've just shown you, we literally just got a couple more bits to throw in, like toiletries and bits like chargers and my hair tongs in the morning. But yeah, pretty much all ready to go. We keep saying to myself, you're only going for like 4 days. It's really not that long. I'm just the worst packer. Always feel like I need everything. But yeah, we're pretty much done, so that's good. So the rest of the day now, we're just going to chill. We've just dropped Frank off, so he's gone on his holidays. And yeah, we're just going to chill, have a bit of a tidy. Going to get this video up for you guys, which I hope you enjoy. Hopefully it's okay. I feel like it's been a bit higgledy-piggledy, but I hope you enjoy it anyways. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the Disney vlogs when they go up. They'll be going up, we think, around between a couple of weeks when we get back, so not too long to wait, and hopefully they'll be good and you'll enjoy them. We're really looking forward to making them. And yeah, just can't believe we're going tomorrow. It's crazy. Really excited though. I'm going to be doing posting daily on my Instagram and Instagram stories, so I'll pop a link to that down below so you can go check that out if you fancy following along. And yeah, let us know if you have any Disneyland Paris recommendations, places to eat, things to do. Let us know. I haven't been in almost 3 years. Henry hasn't been since he was young. So yeah, let us know if you have any recommendations, because we would love to know. But we're really excited. I'm sure it'll be a really nice few days. And yeah, that is about it. So hope you've had a really good weekend. And yeah, I'll see you very soon in the Disney vlogs. Bye.